Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel where we talk fashion and beauty for women over 30. If you're a woman over 30 and you enjoy fashion and beauty, subscribe and click the link down below to sign up for the email list and become a member of the crew. Today I am going to show you guys some shoes, and I'm doing a closet purge, so we're calling this Project Purge. This is part one. I started with the shoes in my closet because I need to make space for new shoes that I've purchased, and then there's just stuff in my closet that honestly I'm not wearing. I haven't worn it, and you know there's a rule if you haven't worn it for 6 months, 3 months, 6 months, whatever it is, that you need to kind of purge and kind of clear that stuff out. So that's what I'm doing today, and I thought it would be a good idea to bring you guys the shoes first, show them to you. If anybody is interested, I will put them up, so I'll be selling them. And then whatever doesn't sell, whatever's left, I will just donate those items to a local charity or to a local domestic violence home. Also, if you guys do end up liking this video, if you like the format of it, if you want me to do part two, which is going to be clothes, if you're interested in those, let me know. I know I've done this before on my channel where I've kind of put things up and said, hey, I'm going to get rid of this stuff, and people seem to be interested. So if you want me to do part two and do the clothes, I can definitely do it. Just leave a comment down below that says yes please, and then I will do another video like this one in a couple weeks, and I will do the clothes, or maybe next week, I don't know, whenever I get to the clothes, child, that's when I'll do them. But if you want it, leave a comment yes please. All right, the first pair of shoes is going to be these pair of Zara ankle booties, which I like a lot. They're just black, like a leather type of ankle booty. They have this zip here on this side, and they do have a pretty high heel, and they're not too worn. If you look at them, I think I wore these like 2 or 3 times maybe. Yeah, so this ankle booty, it's got the pointed toe, and the reason I'm getting rid of this pair is because I have the soft leather pairs, more like a sock booty, and then I have an actual sock booty. They're both black, they both have the same shape as this, they both have the pointed toe. So I don't need 3 pairs of the same shape of boot, so I decided to go ahead and get rid of these. So this is going to be the first pair, and these are a size 9. They're 40, but a size US 9, which most of my stuff is going to be an 8, 8.5, or 9. Next up is these Jessica Simpson platform heels. I talked about these in, I think, the last video, or maybe 2 videos back. I'll link the video that I'm referring to. I bought these in a size 9 because I'm a 9, not realizing that I also had these in gold, and in the gold I had an 8.5 because those fit better. So I ended up having to get the 8.5 too. So I'm going to sell the 9. These are brand new. I never wore these before at all. They have the box that came in and everything. So basically this is a new pair of shoes, and they look like this. They have this kind of faux animal print detailing on them. This is what the bottom looks like. They have this like triangular type heel here, and this is the platform. So a pretty thick platform. What's that, about 1 inch, maybe a little bit more. So these Jessica Simpson black platform heels, and these are a size 9. Now I will say about these, like I said, I usually wear a 9. I'm pretty straightforward in that size, just a little bit of variation, but for the most part I'm a 9. So keep that in mind, that the 8.5 in this shoe fit me better. So if you're a true 9, this might be a little bit too big for you, but if you're a 9.5, it's probably going to be perfect, or a 10. So just keep that in mind. So this pair. Okay, next is this pair of Zara Heels. These are like a silver strappy open-toed heeled sandal, and it has this, I don't know how you describe it, but this goes across the foot this way. This is how it looks, like this. And if you can see it here, it has this like mosaic type of detailing to it. It's almost like textured. Let's see if it'll pick it up this way. Yeah, you can see it down here too. It's like a textured silver heel, so it's not just a solid heel, silver. The back though is like, the heel is just almost like a chrome silver. So this is the shoe, and I just don't wear these as much as I thought I would wear them when I bought them. And I have another pair of silver sandals that are real similar to this, that I find myself going to a lot more often when I want a pair of silver open-toed sandals. So I just don't wear these that much, honestly. And if you look at the bottom, you can tell, I mean, I may have worn them once or twice. And this is again in a size 9. This is a 40 but a US 9. And if you know anything about Zara or you shopped at Zara before, you understand how their sizing runs. This is a shoe from Zara that is a size 9. So this pair. The next pair is this really cute, very spring and summer appropriate pair of open-toed sandals. This is what they look like. Just this floral print. It's real pretty. And this isn't too high. And everything I'm showing today is going to be a heel. Sorry y'all who like flats, but I don't really wear flats that much. So this is what it looks like. It has this kind of like ruffled detail here. Can you see that? Kind of ruffled across the toe. So it's this sandal. And this one is, what size is this shoe? Oh, this is a size 8. So this is what it looks like from this angle. These I did wear. I mean, they're not in bad shape, as you can see. They're not anything like, it's not like I'm trying to sell you a dingy pair of shoes is what I'm saying. But unlike some of the other ones that I've already shown, I did wear these. I just find that I don't wear them that much anymore. So this is real cute. It fits me perfectly. Again, I'm a 9, but this is a size 8 that fits me perfectly. So keep that in mind. If you are a true size 8, this is probably not going to fit you. But if you are a size 9, this 8 in this particular shoe will likely fit you. Okay, to match the silver, we have the gold. So this is a gold pair of open-toed heeled sandals as well. It just has this kind of like strappy detailing across the front here. And then it has just a standard ankle strap here. This is what the heel looks like. So yeah, and this is from Zara as well. This is, what size is this? This is a size 9, US 9. It's a 40 but a US 9. And this fits true to size. So I'm a 9, this is a 9. It fits me perfectly. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, cute little basic gold sandal. Again, I just don't wear it that often anymore. That is so gross that I just touched that shoe and touched my face. But now I feel like I need to go wash my face. But anyway, this shoe, I don't know why I don't seem to grab it that much. I know it's because I have those gold Jessica Simpson heels now, and then I have another pair of gold heels. I think I showed y'all in one video that just popped, another pair of gold heels from Zara that I used to wear a lot that just popped. But I think I'm going to go ahead and invest in getting those fixed because I like the style of those and I like the tone of that gold. This is a little more yellow, not too much, but I just don't wear them as often. So these gold sandals. All right, I have a nice pair of more conservative kind of like work heels here. This is a pair of Coach heels, real cute, pointed toed. I don't know why it looks like it's white right there. Anyway, this is what they look like. Turn them this way. They have the zip in the back. And these are not that high either. These are not like as high as most of my heels tend to be. This is like a suede up here. And then this is leather. And it has this little kind of band of leather right here too. And then this is just the Coach emblem. That's right there. And these, not that worn. I wore these a few times to work. And these are an 8.5. So keep that in mind as well. But real cute pair of heels, I think. And I just find that I go grab my just kind of basic black pumps, which actually came from Zara. I tend to grab those more than these. It might just be because of this. I don't know. I just don't wear them that often. So there you go. Next up, we have another very colorful spring summer appropriate pair of shoes. These are a yellow pair of just heeled sandals again, which tends to be kind of like my go-to style, but these are real cute. They've got a Velcro strap and then this black heel. So this is what the front looks like, and just the toe strap. Come on, shoot. Just this strap across the toe here, and then it has this Velcro at the ankle. That's how you fasten it, like that. So yeah, real cute, very spring summer appropriate for sure. I just haven't worn them in such a long time. I don't know if I ever wore these. I don't think I ever wore these. Yeah, I don't think I ever wore them. This is a size 8.5. So, and they do fit me perfectly. So again, I'm just telling you guys these types of little tips for reference sake, because you know, shoes sometimes are cut a little different. So this is an 8.5 that fits me perfectly, and I'm typically an average size 9. Girl, how many shoes do you have? This is a white mule. It's heeled, and there's not a lot to say about it. It is very simplistic, but I like it a lot. I don't even remember. I think I got these from Nordstrom Rack. Yeah, I think I got these from Nordstrom Rack. It's a brand called Report. I've heard of this brand before. Like, I've gotten shoes from them before. But it's just a white kind of almost pointed toe. I guess it's a little rounded pointed toe heel like this. And I do like this little detail because it stretches. So when you walk, it doesn't cramp your foot like that. So it has a little bit of give because of this little detail right here. This is what the heel looks like. It's not that high. And this one is a size 8.5. Yeah, this is an 8.5. So this is the shoe. This one's a little more trendy, and I'm kind of sad, but I just don't wear this shoe, so I need to just let it go. But it's this shoe. Let me see if it's gonna focus. There we go. So it's clear. All of this is clear. Has this black strap here. The bottom is black. The heel is clear as well. Kind of has that trending kind of squareness to it that we see a lot now. I bought this not too long ago. And then it has these, can you guys see? Yeah, these like crystals or rhinestones all around this part of it. So this whole part is like covered with those crystals. Like that. These I did wear, but not that much. This is a size, oh child, this is a 9. Yeah, this is a size 9. So this one, real cute. Okay, for anybody that's gonna want to know, these came from Zara a long time ago. They don't have them anymore. This shirt, this like organza puff sleeve top, is available on my website, curatedcloset.com. I do have them in stock, so if you're interested, I will leave a link to this below as well. Face, today I only wore my Giorgio Armani. I did not mix it today with the YSL because since we've been on house arrest, I've gotten a little bit lighter, and that tends to be lighter, and I was noticing my foundation was really not the same color as my neck. And it still looks a little off today, but it is what it is. And on my lips today, I have chestnut, cork, pink plaid, which is just a old school regular MAC pink. They still sell it, I'm pretty sure. And then on top, I have the Fenty lip gloss. So boom, boom, there's that. Yeah, I got all these Babyface songs in my mind from that round 2 of the battle last night. Did y'all watch Teddy Riley and Babyface? Try. The music was amazing, that's all I'm gonna say. Next we have this pair, and this is a real unique shape. This is a pair of shoes by Lamb. Oh no, it's not. Dang, I thought these were Lamb shoes. These are Dolce Vita. Y'all probably have heard of this brand before. Anyway, I like the shape of this because most shoes will show the inside. If they're gonna have any kind of cutouts, it'll be on this part of your foot, but this one is on the outside of the foot, and that's what made me, I have got to stop touching my face. That's what made me buy it, and I do still like that so much about this shoe. It's kind of like velvet too, or not velvet, suede. It's a real nice shoe. I just don't wear it that much, and I have so many other pairs of black shoes that I think I go to, and it has this zipper here. And do keep in mind a little bit just with the shape of this, it comes a little higher up on the ankle, so it's almost like a regular pump will probably end right here, and then you have this little bit of material that kind of goes up onto the ankle. So this one, real cute. This is what it looks like, and this is a size 9 as well. So size 9, typical size 9. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Remember, again, everything is going to be available if you want it. If you're interested, then you will have first dibs at that. Anything that's left over, I'll go ahead and get rid of. Enjoy these other videos that are going to pop up on the screen for you guys. You can also check out my website, curatedcloset.com, if you're interested in new apparel items. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link down below. Remember to live well and look good doing it. And until next time, y'all, bye.